Hindi hinaharang ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. ang pag-usad ng impeachment complaints laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Ayon kay Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin, nire-respeto ng palasyo ang Kamara. Paliwanag ni E.S. Bersamin, ang inihayag na pagputwang ni Pangulong Marcos sa impeachment ay pawang opinyon o posisyon lamang niya. Ngunit sa huli, ang House of Representatives pa rin ang masusunod kung ano ang magiging kapalaran ng impeachment complaints na isinampal laban sa pangalawang Pangulo.
All we were saying, the President was saying to the lower house is, this is my position. But he's not blocking. He's not blocking. He cannot do that. Because it is the discretion of the collective of the lower house. If they decide to initiate, there is no way of preventing that.
2 weeks before Congress session again goes on a break, congressmen behind a supposed plan to file a fourth impeachment complaint against Vice President Sara Duterte have yet to reach out to the endorsers of the first 3 complaints. That's according to House Deputy Minority Leader and ACT Teachers Party List Representative Franz Castro, who raised doubts on the possibility of a fourth complaint. Di natin alam kung totoo nga ba yan o hindi. Di ko alam kung parang talagang gumiginik na lang ba talaga itong si Secgel or dahil nga wala pa talagang instruction sa kanya. Di pwedeng parang binubuholan niya yung yung mga tao, no? Parang binubola niya kami doon sa fourth complaint na to. Last week, House Secretary General Reginald Velasco said he had yet to forward to the office of the House Speaker the first 3 impeachment complaints against the VP because some lawmakers requested time to prepare a possible fourth complaint, which they target to be signed by at least 1/3 of lower house members. Velasco had said he would possibly wait for the said complaint until this week. He has yet to respond to requests for a media interview on Friday. Some endorsers and complainants expressed frustration over the delay in initiating the impeachment process.
Are frustrated because Congress should have acted immediately on this impeachment complaint.
Ito ay actually disservice sa naunang 3 impeachment complaints. Tingin natin naging crucial factor talaga dito ang remarks ng nakaupong Pangulo. Knowing na yung mga remarks niya ay nakaka-influensya dun sa mga...
In November 2024, Marcos said filing an impeachment complaint against Duterte would only distract the government from its real work, which is to improve the lives of all Filipinos. The president in January then maintained his stand on the issue of Duterte's impeachment, saying that it is not practical to push for the impeachment because of its poor timing, especially that the midterm elections is near. Duterte is facing 3 impeachment complaints before the House of Representatives for alleged violation of the Constitution, betrayal of public trust, plunder and malversation, bribery, graft and corruption, and other high crimes as grounds for impeachment.